Okay, people, so here's the result. Who would have thought that I could have done all this here with a 32-inch and a 52-inch standard B Wright mower? I mean, this is wild what I got it down to. Basically, the whole purpose of this job wasn't to make it perfectly, pretty. Coming in here with a skid steer and an excavator and a bunch of other big machines. The purpose was to find foundations like we found here and to identify utilities on the property. Found 2 sewers, one here. I found a gas going up to the completed house. Found another sewer over here. Gas line coming down through here over to the road. There's the other sewer cap. Gas line's right there. I got a 1-inch pipe going out, I'm guessing to the street there, because I couldn't find nothing over there. And I can't believe they left this like this for 13 years. For 13 years they left a open 8-foot foundation. Open. With just this silly little orange fence around it. As you can see, it doesn't really do anything. So I did my best so that you might come through here and try to mulch this up real quick. But you could, as you see, no utilities going into here. They didn't run the water yet. They didn't run the sewer yet. Nothing's coming through the foundation. You would see that about, well, it's 2 foot. You'd see that about 5 foot, 6 foot down from the top of the wall. So we gotta be 3 foot below grade here for water and sewer. In Jersey, frost line's 3 foot, but nothing's coming through. So I mean, definitely put in some serious work with these machines. You saw in the beginning of the video how it was when I got here yesterday afternoon to how it is now. So I can't believe it. I can't believe what I found here. It's wild. Apparently there's supposed to be 4 houses going in here. I guess they still gotta clear some more trees, because that's one piece of property there. And you got this one here, which is obviously the road's gonna be over where I got the tripod. So this property is probably gonna come to about where this tree grew, and you're gonna have a 3rd one here, and then maybe that's it, or maybe 1, and then a 3rd one in the back there. Awfully tight, but that's how they do it here. So another fun day. Gotta figure out the clutch on the 32 inch isn't engaging. All of a sudden it just stopped. There's gotta be something stuck in there or something. So, everybody, God bless. Comment, like, let me know what you think of this place being abandoned for 13 years. Mogs out.